Okay, in this tutorial I'll be going through with your ratios. So I just want to express this ratio 21 to 28. I want to express it in simplest form as much as I can. So the easy part of it is when you are simplifying something, you divide it by the common number. So you divide this number by exactly the same number as you divide this number by. So you need to find out the common number. I can see that I can divide this number by I can divide by 7. I can also divide this number by 7. So if I do that, I will get as a result I will get 3 to the ratio of 4. So if I divide 21 by 7, I'll get 3, 28 by 7, I'll get 4. And so that's the simplest form, because I can't find a common number where I can further divide this. So there's nothing that 4 and 3 has in common that I can divide them with the same number, and so that's why this is the simplest form it can get. And if I try another example, for example, if I have 80 centimeter, right, and ratio would be 2 meter, right? So first of all, the first thing is make sure that both have the same common units. That's very important. So either express them both in centimeters or in meters. That should be the same. So first you need to convert that. That's the first step, right? Before you're doing it. So I will convert it into centimeters into I will convert meters into centimeters. Okay, so that's 80 centimeter, right? And then ratio, and that's 200 centimeters, because 1 meter has 100 centimeters, so it's 2 meters, 200 centimeters. And then I will try to do that. So simply you can cross the zeros, okay, first of all, and then that gives you 8, and this to the ratio of 20, and then find a common number where you can divide. I can find 4 is a common number between both. So let me do on the next page. Okay, I'll rewrite that 8 to the ratio of 20. So I can divide it by 4, right? Both of them. So I can say it's 2 to the ratio 5. Okay, and now I can't find any common number between both of them that I can divide both of them further. So that's the simplest form, 2 to the power of 5. That's the common thing, okay? But the first step was to bring the that's very important, to convert both numbers into the same units. That's very important before you proceed, okay? And for example, another example we'll take if you're converting, like if you have 1.25 pounds and 1.25 pounds, and then you have to the ratio of 5 pounds, okay? So first of all, what you need to do is just convert it into the same units. So make sure that you're converting it into pence, for example. So you just multiply this by 100 and this by 100 to convert into pence. So it will turn into 125 to the ratio of 500. They have same units now. Now you can simplify them. So you find a common number to simplify. So I can find 25. I can divide both of them in 25, and it will give me, if I do that, it will give me 5 to the ratio of 20. Just 1 second, to the ratio of 20, right? And I'll go to the next page. I'll rewrite that again and have a look that if I can further divide that. Yes, I can find another common number, which is 5. I can further divide it by 5, so I'll do that, and it gives me 1 to the ratio of 4. And now I can't divide it further. That's how much I can simplify it. So make sure you always, the first step is to always turn it into a common unit and then continue dividing everything.